If you just signed up for Twilio or already have a Twilio account, you're going to need to add Trust Hub to that account in order to have a compliant service. In this video, we're going to go through the steps on exactly how to do that. All right, so now that we're logged into Twilio, in order to do the A2P messaging, what we're going to need to do is very simply just type in Trust Hub into the search bar. That's the easiest way to get to where you're going. And click on Trust Hub. And you're going to arrive at this page. After you've arrived at this page, you're going to go to A2P messaging right down here. And you're going to start creating your business profile. So this is a 3-step process. You first have to create your business profile. Then you need to register your brand. And then you need to register the campaign use case that you're going to be doing. So first, we're going to do the business profile. So register for what you do is click on this blue button here for register for A2P. Now, there's a couple different ways to register the information. Now, you can put in your EIN number if you have it, your tax ID number, or you can put in your information as it appears on your tax number. So I'm going to show you by putting in my EIN number. All right, I put in my number, I'm hitting search, and it found me right away. And I'm going to autofill this information. I'm going to hit save and continue. And I'm going to make sure that my business details are correct. That is my business name. And I'm going to hit continue. All this information is correct, and I'm going to hit continue. Now, very importantly, there are 2 different choices here. There is for the direct customer or the reseller. If you're a direct customer, meaning that it's just you and you're doing your own texting, then you're going to be choosing this. Now, if you're an agency, you're going to be using the ISV reseller or partner. But since I'm going to be just doing myself, I'm going to be a direct customer. Now, my business type in this case is a corporation. I do have an EIN, my registration number, and now I'm going to put in my business and industry. Now, my business and industry is I'm in an agency, so I should find here media. And then I'm going to put in my website as it is. And I'm going to say which part of the world I'm in. I'm in the USA. And I'm going to start filling in this information about myself. And you're going to put in your job position. Do you want to add someone else? I don't want to do that this time. And I've also checked the box to confirm that I can be reached out to by Twilio. And hit save and continue. Make sure that my email address is correct and hit save and continue. Then I'm going to check all my information, make sure everything is correct. And I'm going to declare that this information is correct and submit it for review. I'm also going to mention that I am a private company. I have to agree to a fee of $4 for an ATP brand registration fee. And I need to confirm my brand registration. Now, this is going to take a little bit of time, and when it's done, we'll come back. Now, because I used my EIN number, it's automatically going to do step 2 and register my A2P brand. Now, it has given me a score of only 27 out of 100 for registering my brand, which, mind you, isn't great, and we will try to increase that in the future. And this over here will give you some information about the score, and I'll hit continue. Now I can I can register my campaign use cases. Now, this is very important. This is why I'm going to be doing my campaign. So I'm going to be using create a new messaging service. Now my friendly name is going to be Brighter Idea Marketing. And I'll be mainly using it to market my services. And hit save and continue. And that will be my sender, which is already registered. And I'm going to use the number that's already registered there. And I'm going to agree to the terms. And I'm going to add my phone number for messaging service. And hit continue. Now I'm going to select the use cases that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using my profile and my use case. Now there's two choices that we can go with: mixed or low volume mixed. Now low volume mixed is under 3,000 messages per day. Mixed is over 3,000 messages. So I'm going to be doing, since I'll probably be doing a lower volume than 3,000 a day, I'll be using low volume mixed. Now the use description, I'm going to describe what I'm going to use this messaging for. So in my case for it, I will be using this messaging service to contact prospective clients and support established clients. Sample message, and then you want to add some sample messages. Your website is ready to review. And the next one, we're going to do something that sets an appointment. Thank you for scheduling your appointment with Brighter Idea Marketing. Now, some of my messages will include embedded links, and sometimes they will include phone numbers, so I'm going to be choosing those. And I'm going to register my campaign use, and I'll confirm it. And once you're registered, you'll get a little congratulations with some nice confetti, and you can take a look at all your brands. And as you can see, everything is set up now for me, and I can move on. Thank you for watching.